every sector will come with protocols that will be endorsed and agreed by the Ministry of Health. So the Ministry of Health will be the final endorser of these protocols, and when we roll them out, we must respect those protocols. And we must not only police them, the policing cannot be done by government alone. The hospitality industry, for that matter, must find a mechanism of policing themselves. Because if things go wrong, the hospitality industry will be blamed for spreading the virus to more Kenyans, and that is what we don't want. So government is committed to slowly and gradually opening the economy, and we want to establish the protocols ready. If not now, even in the new norm when the economy is open. So today I'm here announcing that we will formulate those protocols of the economy and slowly working with the stakeholders to make it work.